Not sure what ChatGPT is actually used for? In this video, I'll show you some of the best free ways beginners can use ChatGPT right now in less than 3 minutes. Today we're covering some of the best free uses for ChatGPT that can save time and help beginners immediately. One of the best free uses for ChatGPT is brainstorming. You can ask for YouTube video ideas, blog topics, business names, content plans, and social media ideas. This is especially useful when you feel stuck creatively. ChatGPT is also excellent for writing assistance. You can ask it to help you write emails, video descriptions, titles, outlines, scripts, and resumes. You can even ask it to simplify text, shorten text, rewrite something professionally, or make things beginner friendly. ChatGPT is great for learning. You can ask it beginner questions, you can ask for step-by-step tutorials, you can ask for explanations and definitions, and you can ask follow-up questions as much as you want. ChatGPT can also help with planning, organization, checklists, schedules, and summaries. It works well like a digital assistant for everyday tasks. Just remember, ChatGPT is powerful, but it's not perfect. Always verify important facts and information before going final with them. Those are some of the best free uses for ChatGPT that beginners should know about. If this video helped you, just come back for more fast beginner tutorials and let me know in the comments, what do you use ChatGPT for the most?